Hey guys, welcome back. I've been using Postfix for a while now, and here's what I think. Postfix is an open source mail transfer agent, also known as an MTA. In simple terms, it is software that sends and routes email from one server to another. It is widely used on Linux systems and is known for being secure, stable, and reliable. Postfix does not provide a full email platform by itself. Instead, it focuses on handling outgoing and incoming mail delivery. To build a complete mail server, it is often combined with other tools like Dovecot for receiving mail and webmail software for user access. Postfix works in the background, quietly handling message delivery. One of the biggest strengths of Postfix is security. It was designed with security in mind from the beginning. It separates different processes to reduce risk, which helps protect the server from attacks. This is one reason many hosting providers and companies trust it for business email systems. Postfix is also known for performance. It can handle large volumes of email without slowing down. This makes it suitable for both small business servers and large enterprise setups. It supports features like spam filtering integration, encryption with TLS, and authentication methods to help secure communication. Configuration is done through text files, which means it is not beginner-friendly. You need some knowledge of Linux and server management to set it up properly. However, there is strong community support and detailed documentation available online. Because it is open source, Postfix is free to use. There are no license fees. You only pay for the server where it runs. This makes it cost-effective compared to commercial mail server solutions. Overall, Postfix is a powerful and dependable mail server component. It is best for users who want full control over their email infrastructure. While it requires technical skill to manage, it delivers strong security, performance, and flexibility for serious email hosting setups.